Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about how to solve equations using iteration methods. First of all, we have here an example about iterative method. The three equations here, and we wanna to get x, y, and z function of others variables. Okay, as you see here, x function of z and y function of x and z, and z function of x and y. We get the three variables from these three equations. Okay, but we have here a condition which control the selection of equation to get the variable function. As you see here, x function come from this equation, not this equation. The reason is that the coefficient of x variable here is more than the summation, the absolute summation of y and z coefficients. But here in this equation, we see that the coefficient of variable x less than the absolute summation of coefficients of y and z. The same will be applied in y and z variables. Okay? The first method we will talk about it is Jacobi method. Firstly, we will take a start point. This point, you can select it, but it's preferable that the point more near to the exact value of solving these equations. Okay. Anyway, we will assume the start point xyz, as you see here, 0 for x, 0 for y, and 0 for z. The technique of getting the value of x and y, and z is that the first iteration will give us the start point 0, 0, 0. This the second iteration, which iteration number is 1. As you see in our function for x is 10 minus z plus y all divided by 5, and here 10 minus the value of z plus value of y all divided by 5, the same function. Okay, and the same for y here equal 11 minus 2x plus z all divided by 8. As you see here, the value of y will equal 11 minus 2x and the plus value of y all divided by 8. 8. Okay, and the same for z. Okay, z here equal 3 plus x minus y divided by 4, and here 3 plus 3 plus x minus y all divided by 4. Okay, what we will do now. The second stage is score. Sorry, we will scroll down the 4 cells as you see here. We will do it until 21 iteration number. Okay. The other method is Gauss-Seidel iteration. The other method is Gauss-Seidel iteration. Okay. The main difference is that in Jacobi method we substitute the value of the y and z in x function by the period iteration, and the same for y. Y we are substituting by the value of x and z from period iteration. But here in Gauss-Seidel iteration, the substituting stage is different. Here we substitute from period and the same stage. I mean, in y function we substitute by z from period iteration and x from the same iteration. As you see here, the value of x from the same iteration and the value of z from period iteration. As you see here, in the value of z, we substitute by the value of x and the value of y from the same iteration number. Okay, the same we will do here. We will select the 4. We will select the 4 cells. We will select the 4 cells and we will scroll down until get the value. But as you see here, we will note that the exact value will appear early in Gauss-Seidel iteration, but while in Jacobi method the exact value be lately. So we have two differences between the Jacobi method and Gauss-Seidel iteration. The first one is that the speed of getting exact value. The second one is that we can use it Gauss-Seidel iterative method in the processor which has low quality, or we have a lot of works to do to increase the speed of microprocessor or processor in general to handle a lot of data. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.